trees grow dense and the forest immense, on the hilltops and the plain. My creation of vegetation can no longer be restrained. The mountains tower overhead, my kingdom bound, and I feel my soul's been buried underground. Don't feed the roots, let them dry out, and just surrender to all the seeds of doubt. You know you're dead, no good in life. Well, I'm alive. Let it grow, with the soil in these hands. Let it grow, the earth that shall command. And I will rise to the dark's dismay. Let the vines climb high. The dirt never bothered me anyway. I never thought my worries would tear my mind apart, and that loneliness would someday cut down my thorny heart. I can't look back, there's so much more. The path ahead is just too green to ignore. No crown, no sword can limit me. I'm free. Let it grow. Every breath is like the first. Let it grow. I've overcome the worst. Now let it die, those years gone by. Let the vines climb high. With fields and valleys in my palm, I have no fear. The chlorophyll runs in my veins in color bright and clear. I must not wither, I must face the unforeseen. They can call me Mother Earth, 'cause I'm sure that I'm no queen. Let it grow, in the wood I take my place. Let it grow, the past has been erased. I'm awake, I will live today. Let the vines climb high. The dirt never bothered me anyway.